Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Canva design in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to make watermark on Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To add a watermark in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add the watermark. I am going to add a watermark to this design. If you already have a watermark or logo image, such as a PNG file with a transparent background, you need to upload it first. If you don't have a watermark logo or image, you can also set your brand name text as a watermark. I will also show you that in this video. To upload, click on Uploads from the left sidebar. Here I have already uploaded a logo for the watermark. Once uploaded, click on the image to add it to your design. Now, resize the watermark by dragging the corners and place it on your design, commonly at the bottom right, center, or any other suitable area. To make the watermark blend with your design, click on the watermark to select it. Then, at the top of the screen, click on the transparency icon. Now, lower the transparency level to around 10 to 30%, depending on how light or visible you want your watermark. If you don't have a watermark image or logo and want to use text instead, click on Text from the left sidebar and choose Add a heading. Type your brand name or any text you want to use as a watermark. Now, adjust the font size, reduce the opacity using the transparency tool, and change the font color to gray or white to make it subtle. You can also rotate the text for a better look. Now, your watermark is added and lightly visible on the design, helping you protect or brand your content.